Hey besties, do you know that people are cashing out on TikTok? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to make money, yes, with TikTok. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Yes, so besties, have you signed up on Creator Next? In case you're not aware, Creator Next is the portal for TikTok users to access all of the app's monetization features. Yes, so TikTok actually said that TikTok Creator Next aims to help creators monetize as they grow and develop their communities on the platform. When you join TikTok Creator Next, you receive access to tools and features that allows you to turn your creativity and passions into something greater. So whether it's a side hustle or a business, to join TikTok Creator Next, you will need to meet the following eligibility criteria. Number 1, you have to be 18 years or older. Number 2, you must have posted at least 3 videos in the last 30 days. Number 3, you must have a minimum of 1,000 video views in the last 30 days. And you must meet the minimum follower requirements for your region. Be based in the United States, UK, Germany, France, Italy, or Spain. No business accounts is allowed. Your account has to be a creator's account. Yes, so the next thing you want to do is you can actually access a few different monetization features, although each of them have their threshold of eligibility. Now, there's the TikTok Creator Fund. On July 22, 2020, TikTok announced their new creator fund, pledging to give $200 million to encourage people who dream of using their voices and creativity to spark inspirational careers. Yes, I'm sure you agree with me that the internet and the world ate it up. Yes, only a week later, they announced that the fund would grow to $1 billion. Yes, so in 2023. So how do you get your hands on that sweet creator cash? Make sure that you keep watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. TikTok has been blessing me. I'm telling you. If you're in doubt, go and look for me on TikTok and you will see what I'm talking about. So yes, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. How did you find my video? And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. Yes, so on this channel, it's all about helping you to make money. Yes, so we are here to secure the bag. Nothing but the bag. Alright, all we have time for is to make that money. Without further ado, guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up in the comments, yes, and tell me how you feel right now. So guys, let's get right into business. Come with me. Let's go.
Mariam A.
So guys, how do you get your hands on the sweet creator cash? Now, TikTok app has a few boxes that you have to tick before you start making this money. Number 1, you have to be at least 18 years. You have to have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. And you must have an account that abides by TikTok community guidelines and terms of service. Now, the TikTok Creator Marketplace is another one that you should consider. If you're based in one of the several approved countries, then you can join the TikTok Creator Marketplace to be connected with sponsors and brands. Any brand can join, but influencers need to be invited or apply to access the marketplace. As at December of 2022, there are 800,000 creators from across the world on the marketplace. They get live gifts and video gifts. Yes, creators using TikTok Creator Next can receive gifts from their viewers on their live videos or regular TikTok video posts. These digital gifts can be converted into dollars and you can withdraw it into your bank account or PayPal. Yes, so and you know what? You can also partner with a brand that you trust, yes, and create sponsored content on TikTok. This is actually defined as content for which you receive something of value. Of course, that's the goal, right? For example, if a brand pays you to make a TikTok video talking about how great their soy candles smell, or you might receive a free skydiving trip in exchange for posting about it. Although I'm not asking you guys to go skydiving. You can actually get paid, yes. Some brands can offer you $1,000 to showcase, depending on your number of the kind of views that you get on your TikTok page, as well as your number of followers, yes. And in case you are not aware, in 2022, the global value of the influencer marketing was valued at 16.4 billion US dollars, according to Statistica, which is an amount that has more than doubled since 2019. An e-marketer study found out that 75% of medium to large US companies are planning on using influencer marketing this year. Yes, so even as brands are pulling back from social media advertising, yes. And while Instagram continues to hold the #1 spot as the influencer brand partnership platform of choice, TikTok is making a strong play for the top. I can assure you today that TikTok is right at the top. And here are some tips for getting started with sponsored content. Number 1, only reach out to brands, organizations that you really, really love. It's not all brand deals that I accept. If their values don't align with mine, I'm not going to work with the brand. Or if I don't believe in their products or their services, then I'm not going to work with the brand. It's not all money that is good money in my books. And that's me. And one more thing is this: if your TikTok is all about your raw vegan journey and all of a sudden you start posting about your favorite local burger joints, your followers will see through that it is not you. So not only is it confusing, but it also makes you look like a sellout. So you have to stand by what you really believe in. Make sure that your sponsored content aligns with your regular content. You can also make a press kit for your TikTok account. Now, in case you're wondering what is a press kit, a press kit is like a movie trailer for yourself. It hypes up all the great things about you and gives brands good reasons to work with you, and includes contact information, photos, and notable achievements, and it makes them want to see what happens next, which is a bag of popcorn in hand. Websites like Template Lab offer press kit templates for free. Yes. Now, you can also create a few non-sponsored posts. Brands will want to see that you have what it takes to drive sales to their businesses. So you can make a couple of non-sponsored posts, yes, chatting up your favorite pair of shoes that will make exclusive specialty and sock brand wants to likely partner with you. This has happened to me so many times. I think I promoted a jean, a jeans brand on my page, and a lot of jeans companies have been reaching out to me in my email. So yes, when you create a particular content, it's gonna attract more people in that industry. And if you use the right hashtag, don't worry, I'm gonna spill all the tea on how you can make good money on TikTok this year. Don't even sleep on it. Besties, do you know you can sell products directly through the TikTok shop? Yes. Do you know that TikTok shop offers brands the opportunity to integrate e-commerce directly into the app? Yes, it's like your own little digital storefront. Brands can also collaborate with creators to sell products through their channels. You can showcase and sell your products, through your TikTok videos, TikTok Live, and Product Showcase tab. You can also earn money through affiliate programs. Now, you don't need to make your own merch or sell anything on TikTok. You can just use affiliate marketing links. Just share links. Yeah, so you can do hashtag, Water Talk Influencer, or hashtag whatever it is. Yes, just tag the name of that company, and you're gonna make money. Once they make sales, you get paid. Yeah, for every sales they make, you also get paid in return. Sorry, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna share in my next video. I'm gonna be sharing exactly how you can still make money with TikTok. I'm gonna be spilling the tea, guys. Hey, TikTok has changed my life in recent times, and I'm gonna be spilling the tea on exactly how you can make good money just from TikTok alone. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money with TikTok. Yeah, so right from the comfort of your home. And that is it for today, guys. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, God is watching you. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know your meet, where in the world are you watching from, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And yes, I don't know if I've introduced myself yet in today's video. Okay, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Yes. And yes, that is it for today. I don't want this video to be too long. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to exploit, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.